We're here at the top of the Prudential Building in Boston. I chose Boston to establish and grow my company for a lot of reasons. One is I grew up here. It's familiar, love it here. And two is the proximity to all the top universities of the world, including MIT, my alma mater, but also all the rest of the excellent technical and other universities in the area. Now, I chose MIT to go to college really because it was the top school in the world for what I wanted to do. And in particular, the Media Lab at MIT had a reputation for taking on the oddball projects, the stuff that other labs didn't believe could work, or the stuff that just didn't fit anywhere else. The Audio Spotlight absolutely qualified because every acoustics expert in the world was saying it just couldn't be done. It's going to be impossible. But at the Media Lab at MIT, this is exactly the kind of project they want. Now, I did my research at MIT to develop the technology, but I stayed here in the Boston area really because of the resources that were available. We decided to do our manufacturing here in town too and focus on efficiency of manufacture rather than trying to cut costs at every opportunity. Boston has more students per capita than anywhere else in the world. And it really cultivates a culture of innovation, progress, and hard work.